In this video, we will explore the benefits and techniques of using green light therapy for pain relief. Whether you suffer from chronic pain or occasional aches, green light therapy can provide a non-invasive and drug-free solution. Join us as we dive into the world of green light therapy and learn how it can make a difference in your life. Before we begin, let's understand what green light therapy actually is. Green light therapy involves the use of specific wavelengths of green light to activate natural pain relief mechanisms in the body. By stimulating the production of endorphins and reducing inflammation, green light therapy offers a holistic approach to pain management. Let's explore how it works in more detail. Now that we know how green light therapy works, let's move on to the different application techniques. There are various ways to incorporate green light therapy into your pain relief routine. From handheld devices to light therapy lamps, we will discuss the pros and cons of each method and help you choose the one that suits you best. Green light therapy offers numerous benefits beyond pain relief. It can improve sleep quality, reduce stress and anxiety, and even enhance mood and mental clarity. By balancing the body's circadian rhythm and promoting overall well-being, green light therapy is a versatile tool for improving both physical and mental health. Before incorporating green light therapy into your pain management routine, it's important to understand the safety precautions. While green light therapy is generally safe for most individuals, there are certain conditions and contraindications to be aware of. We will discuss these precautions in detail to ensure a safe and effective experience. In conclusion, green light therapy is a promising option for pain relief that offers a natural and non-invasive alternative to traditional methods. By harnessing the power of specific wavelengths of green light, this therapy can activate the body's own healing mechanisms. Give it a try and experience the benefits of green light therapy for yourself.